Are you tired of always putting things off? Let's dive into your brain's two sides and beat procrastination together. Inside your head, there are two selves fighting for control. Meet the thinking self. It's the rational, logical part of you that focuses on long-term goals like studying for a big test or saving money. Then there's the monkey mind. It's impulsive, emotional, and loves instant gratification like binge-watching TV or scrolling through social media for hours. The first step to beating procrastination is knowing who's in charge. When you feel the urge to procrastinate, pause and ask yourself, is this my monkey mind talking, or is it my thinking self? Understanding these two sides helps you make better choices. Picture this. Your monkey mind wants to play video games, but your thinking self knows you need to finish that homework. Recognizing who's speaking lets you choose the right path. So next time you're tempted to delay, remember this quick tip. Pause, identify, and choose wisely. Beat procrastination by mastering your mind's two selves and watch your productivity soar.